Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about SOQL queries. SOQL query means Salesforce Object Query Language. Using SOQL queries, you can fetch either one or more records from standard object or custom object. We can also add required user-defined conditions to filter the data. Let's see how we can write SOQL query. Go to setup and open developer console. After that, open anonymous window. Here I'm create one list of account object. Okay, list is successfully created. Here I'm write query select id name from account limit is 2. It display the records in account object and from account object, and it display only two records because account object contain number of records. That's why I want to display only two records and display this record by using system.debug count list and print this. After that, print this list, execute. Click here debug only, and here we can see two records is display on by using this query. We can also write this query in query editor. Here is option query editor. Here we can also write query. Here and write select id name from account limit is 2, and here is option or execute this query. Here we can see two records of account object. Next is we can also write here if statement. If account object is not empty, here I'm write the sign. This means account is not empty, then I'm write here for loop account as, and name of account list is account list. In this way we can also write query, or we can write this query in, we can write this query in for loop. Here we can also write in this way. After that, I want to count records which name is start from test. Then write query here. select id name from account, or we can directly write integer c and c equals to, here I am write query select count from account where name like test, and print this integer c. Execute this. We got the 0. Now here I am simply put percentage sign at the end of test. After that execute debug only. Now it returns the 5 records which contain name test. After that ascending and descending. Here I am write order by default list contain ascending order. Here I am write order by name. Print this. Okay, execute. Okay, id name from account, execute this. Now we can see it is not in ascending, it is in ascending order. First is test 1, after that test 2, test 3. Now I am here apply descending order, simply put here descending. Now execute debug only. Now we can see first record is test 6, after that text 4, after that text 3, text 2, and last one is test 1. After that we will see child to parent query, and simply remove this. Here I am write select id name. Here I am write child query select id name from contacts, from account where name equals to I'm right here test 2. After that, simply print this statement by using system.debug account list. In this way, we can write parent to child, child to parent query. In this way, we can write, and similar way we can write query for parent to child. These are the SOQL query in Apex. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.